Hello, my friends. I was walking around because Microsoft Build is for developers, by developers. So I was walking around. I saw this guy, and it looked like I was looking in a mirror.
It was amazing when I first saw you. It was a mirror. I thought I was in, yeah.
Is your name?
It's Seth. Yes.
I thought I was looking in a mirror, and like, we have to have Seth come on. So this is going to be the first interview by Seth, of Seth,
For Seth.
about Seth's. So we're pretty excited about that. Where are you joining us from, my friend?
I'm actually here in Seattle. So I'm here local and had an opportunity to come into Build. My background is the business application space.
Oh.
And so not quite a developer, but as we've learned, this is not about
We're all developers. Look, if we make stuff in computers, we are developers.
That's true.
And with a name like Seth,
oh, yeah.
we've got to be a mediocre one at best. Just kidding. No, that's a joke. We're really good developers. So what are some things that you saw at the conference that were inspiring to you?
Yeah, so one of the most inspiring things at this conference so far is the ability to really go extensible, right? It's understanding the stack. I think it's important for people to understand what the stack is all the way up. Because where you play and how you play as a developer is going to be different, right? Are you in the UI? Are you helping building models? Are you in the middle there as you're training? And so understanding the stack is going to be important, but the ability to really be extensible, right? Now that it's in Windows, that ability to tap into applications is going to be huge. That ability, maybe I don't know how to use Adobe, or maybe can't find that Spotify playlist. How can I really tap into that? And I'm very excited about the extensibility, the ability to really engage in and around that.
What about the AI stuff? Is there anything around the AI stuff that you're just like, wow, that's really cool, or wow, I need to look into that?
Everything, right? Yeah. And so it's interesting. My background was accounting and ERP, and that's not AI, right? I wasn't a data scientist.
Right.
And so as we've been seeing sort of the opportunity for an AI to empower people, and we talk about Copilot, it really is that ability to somebody that isn't trained on something in depth, right? Text to image. I don't understand aperture. I don't understand lighting. I know there's a lot of great capabilities there, but the problem is I don't know that. But an AI can help me come alongside and really empower me to do things that I never thought possible.
I mean, that's really cool. And I want you to think about this question as I say this next thought. What are you going to do with AI to be better? And I'm just going to say, like, this is probably, Seth is so eloquent. I mean, are you kidding me? So what are you going to try to do?
Really simplify things. And that's, I mean, it comes back to that, right? It's amazing, these features that are being released, the capabilities that are there are impressive. But at the end of the day, we have to help people, right? It's about empowering people to do more, right? Satya talks about that. And that's really when I think about what's ahead, it's how do I simplify onboarding new hires, onboarding our team members? How do I make sure that they're getting the most out of what was being offered? Not because they can't find it, but because they were able to achieve more. So I'm excited.
We should have a colony of Seths where we just have deep thoughts.
Yeah.
This is great. Thanks for joining us, Seth.
I appreciate it.
Now over to you, Caruana.